TikTok affiliate is one of the trend that is actually trending on YouTube and other platforms. So we check some of the YouTubers. According to this particular YouTuber, he said he made over $170 in just 3 months. This one made over 1.5 million revenue with using TikTok, and this particular person actually made over $14,000 using TikTok. So, and if you are from maybe Nigeria, Ghana, and India, or you are not from either USA or United Kingdom, can you actually join? Don't worry, I'm going to show you 3 or 4 ways you can actually join TikTok affiliate, start actually making money with TikTok. So ensure you watch this video from beginning to the end. And if you are seeing me here for the first time, give me a thumbs up and actually subscribe to my YouTube channel. So without further ado, let me quickly show you how you can join TikTok if you are not from United Kingdom or United States. So you have to come to this particular website. So this particular website actually states some country that allow to join TikTok. So the first country is Indonesia. If you are from Indonesia, you can join Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, the United Kingdom, the United States, and Vietnam. So if you are not from any of these countries, you can't join TikTok unless you use this method I'm going to review in this video. So the first method is actually to come to TikTok Shop. So this is tiktok.shop.com/business. So I'm going to drop the link inside the video description. So you have to find someone you know in UK or US that you can actually partner with to start this deal, because like if you are using this method, whenever you make sales, you can divide the sales into 2, or you have a percentage. So you have to message the person, oh, can we actually have a deal? Because TikTok is actually available in their country, like maybe if you are from UK or United States. So all they have to do is to actually click on get started. So after clicking on get started, they can sign up as shop vendor. So during that process, because if you actually want to follow the due process of TikTok affiliate, the minimum requirement is actually to have 5,000 followers. But if you are using this method of signing up with TikTok Shop affiliate, you can actually join as TikTok Shop vendor. Then with the dashboard, you can be able to promote product as an affiliate. So you don't really need 5,000 subscribers to actually meet up this criteria. But the condition is you have to find someone in USA or UK to actually join using this TikTok Shop method. So this is my favorite method that I actually use, because I have a friend in UK. So I actually message him, guy, we have a deal. There are a lot of people who are making money from TikTok. Can we actually join this particular TikTok to start promoting product? So this is the first method. I think is going to be the best and the most reliable way for you to actually join TikTok Shop. So the second method, which I'm going to share in this video, is to actually find some community. So as you can see, this is a great community about TikTok Shop affiliate. As you can see, the first main result and this person made over $2,400 using TikTok Shop. So let me show you another testimony on this particular group. So I'm going to show you another testimony. So it's loading up. Okay, this particular person made $16 using TikTok Shop. So let me show you another testimony. This person made over 7,300 with TikTok Shop. So you can join this community and actually message them that who actually have TikTok Shop, so that you guys can partner, or you can actually buy already made TikTok Shop from this particular community. So mind you, if you want to do this kind of deals, because Facebook groups, they are not regulated, you can use this particular website, which is called accessmarket.com. So this particular website, you can buy a lot of account. So ranging from YouTube account, you can buy YouTube account, you can buy TikTok account, Telegram account, Instagram account, Facebook account, and different accounts you actually want to buy. But in this case, we are actually looking towards on buying TikTok account, because okay, let me go back to TikTok account to show you what you can buy with this platform. So we are going to buy TikTok account, and we are going to change, like this is verify listing, monetize, enable, verify identity. The reason why you have to use this particular platform, or using any extra, so that you will not be scammed at the long run. So these are the TikTok that is available. As you can see, this person have 50,000 subscriber, which is going to cost you like $120. This one have like 102,000 subscriber. So, but mind you, you have to ensure that the TikTok you are buying here is TikTok Shop enable, because this one is basically like TikTok. If you are buying TikTok that have subscriber, but you can actually find the one that have TikTok Shop enable, or the one that has been approved to actually do TikTok. But one method you can actually use is to find someone here on this particular group. There are another group that are joined. So I'm going to show you. All you have to do is to click on find TikTok. So this is this particular group, TikTok Shop Seller. So you can join the group to actually make sure you find some seller that you can actually buy TikTok account from. So these are the group. So you can message anyone from the group and actually redirect them to this particular website to make sure that they actually not scam you at the long run. That is the second method we recommend if you want to join TikTok shop from ineligible country like Nigeria or other country. So, and the last method that you can use to join TikTok shop that I think is going to be the safest and the best way is to actually have an LLC in United States. So you can use this particular website, which is zenbusiness.com, to join an LLC. So this is LLC for non-US residents. All you have to do is to click on start an LLC, and you are going to choose the state you want to use. Maybe it's Texas, maybe it's California. So you can actually choose any state you want to use. So, but according to my research, Texas is more okay for non-residents like me if you are not from United States. And one of the advantage of you starting LLC is the fact that you can use this information whenever you want to actually set up your TikTok account, because they are going to give you EIN so that you can be able to enter it whenever you want to set up your tax information on TikTok Shop Affiliate. And one of the advantage is the fact that, so if you actually sign up for LLC now, you can use the LLC to actually open Stripe in ineligible countries like Nigeria, Ghana, and if you want to actually open PayPal legally, you can use that LLC account to do that. So I hope this video actually help you one way or the other. Like probably make sure that you have TikTok shop and start making money on TikTok. So if you do, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channels so that whenever I see any update that is working right now, you are going to be the first one to actually see my video here on my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.